Question first. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using L. So this is your equilateral triangle having all the three sides equal, and in this question it is L. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is addition of all these sides, that is L plus L plus L, or you can also say 3 into side. Instead of adding, just multiply 3 into side, and here side is given L, therefore we write 3 into L. So this is the deduced formula in order to find perimeter of equilateral triangle. That was the question 1. Second, the side of a regular hexagon, this is regular hexagon having all the sides equal and all the angles equal, is denoted by L. Express the perimeter of the hexagon using L. Hint is given, a regular hexagon has all its 6 sides equal in length. So you can see here all the sides are equal. L plus L plus L plus L plus L plus L will give you the perimeter. So this is your regular hexagon having all the sides and angles as equal, and we have to take side as L. Here it is specifically mentioned to us. So perimeter of the hexagon will be addition of all sides, or if you multiply 6 into side, that is the same thing, rather than addition it 6 times. Now side is L, therefore we substitute to give us 6L as your formula for perimeter of hexagon. Question third. A cube is a 3-dimensional figure as shown in figure. Well, a cube has length, breadth and height, therefore it is 3-dimensional. It has 6 faces, these are faces. It has 6 faces, back side, side faces and up and down faces. So 6 faces total. All of them are identical squares because sides are equal. The length of an edge of the cube is given by L. Here we have to write it as L as it is given. Now find the formula for the total length of the edges of a cube. So edge of the cube we have to take L, it is given to us as you can see here. Edge of the cube is given by L letter. Now total length of the edges will be addition of all the edges of a cube. When we add all the edges, it will give total length of edges. So we will count the total edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is down sides. On the down face, we have 4 edges, and heights similarly we have 2, 3 and 4 edges in a 4 walls you can say. And on the topmost we have again 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 edges. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So total length of edges will be 12 into L because L is the side here for the edges. Question 4th. The diameter of a circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. So this is the diameter that connects 2 points on the circle and also specifically passes through the center of the circle. In the adjoining figure, AB is the diameter of the circle, C is the center. Express the diameter of the circle D in terms of its radius R. So radius is half of the diameter. This is well known fact. Now diameter of the circle has to be represented by D. It is given to us as you can see here. AB is the diameter and we have to express it in terms of D. Now we know it from previous studies, the diameter equal to twice of radius. This diameter is equal to twice of radius, that is R plus R or 2 times R. Therefore we will put D in terms of diameter and 2 as it is, radius is R. Therefore relation becomes D equals to 2R. That was your question number 4. Question 5th. To find sum of 3 numbers like 14, 27 and 13, we can have 2 ways. A. We may first add 14 and 27 to get us 41 and then add 13 to it to get the total sum 54. Or the other way is, we may add 27 and 13, last 2 numbers, to get 40 and then add 14 to get the sum 54. Both are same things. Thus we can say 14 plus 27, when we add them and then add 13 to it, is equal to 14. We take 14 and add the sum of 27 plus 13. So this can be done by any 3 numbers. This property is known as the associativity of addition of numbers. So you are associating. What is associating? That is linking of any 2 numbers. In this we added first 2 numbers, we linked first 2 numbers. Then we added to it, whereas in other, we added last two numbers and then added the previous one to it. So this is equal. Now we have to express this property which we have already studied in the chapter on whole numbers in a general way. We have already studied it by using variable a, b and c. So this is how we do it. We have to express the property that we have studied in chapter whole numbers in general way as we are doing in these questions by using ABC. So first of all, what you will do, you will write ABC in both left hand side and right hand side. Then you will associate or combine AB together by in brackets on the left hand side and then add C to it. This is understood. First we have to solve brackets. And on the right hand side, we will associate B and C first. This means we have to solve first B and C. We have to add them first, then add A to it. So this is called associative of addition of numbers. That was your last question, question number 5.